Okay, let's start the trick by shuffling the deck a bit. Okay, so the spectator will shuffle the deck. They can shuffle it until they are satisfied. So let's say they are shuffling it. Okay, so once they are done shuffling, I'll even show you the cards that all of them are shuffled. You can see that there's no card like in any order or something. You can see. And now I'll be making a prediction out here. And I'll show it to you at the end of the trick. Okay, so I've written my prediction here and I'll show you at the end of the trick. Okay, so now I'll just keep it here, and now the spectator will make four selections. So let's start. The spectator can say stop anytime to me. Let's say stop right here, this one card. Then we'll dribble the cards. They can again say stop anytime right here, and then we'll again do the same. This is stop right here, and then we'll tell them to make a selection again, the fourth selection. Let's say they want this card. Okay, so now we'll take a look at the four cards. The magician can also take a look at it. Okay, so the 6, 7, 5, 4. Okay, so the value of jack, queen and king in this trick is 10, and the value of 10 is 10, and all the numbers ace is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 have their own number value. So now what we'll be doing is 6. We'll make each and every card's value 10, like this. 6. So we'll make 7, 8, 9, 10. The spectator can also do it. Again 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the total number we obtain is 6 plus 7 is 13, plus 5, 18, plus 4, 22. So we'll be seeing the 22nd card in this deck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and this is the 22nd card, and it's the ace of clubs. And remember, I made a prediction at the start, and my prediction also says the ace of clubs. And now guys, stay tuned for the tutorial. Okay, so guys, hope you like the performance. And now for the tutorial, so the spectator can shuffle the cards as much as they want, so there's no like any order to the deck or anything like that. So once they're done shuffling, you take the deck back from them and you'll be showing them the deck that all the cards are shuffled, but you will see the 9th card from the bottom, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, ace of heart, and you'll just show them, you'll just be spreading the cards and just remember the ace of heart. Okay, so remember, you need perfect 52 cards for this deck. So what I like to do is just take bunches of 3 cards just like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 9th card is the ace of heart. So now what will be your prediction is the 9th bottom card. So you can just write here ace of hearts. Okay, so once you have written it, you can just fold it for the performance, but now I'll just keep it like this. And now you'll make the spectator select 4 cards. It can be any 4 cards in the deck, but remember, not any of the bottom 9 cards. Okay, so how do you do it? First, if you dribble the cards, just start dribbling some like here. So whenever they say stop, they'll say stop somewhere in the top. So let's do this. Okay, so this card, let's say they stop right here. Then you can even do something like this, so that whenever they say stop, they won't say stop at the bottom 9th card. So okay, again they should not select any of the bottom 9 cards, and then again you can just do like this. If they go till the last, then just quickly release it and do it again. So they say stop right here, and then they'll again, now you'll spread the cards, but don't spread till the last, just spread like almost this much. So they'll have to select a card from this much only. This card, wait, okay, let's say this card. Okay, so once they're done with it, we'll see the 4 cards. It's 3, 8, 6, 8. Okay, so if they see a jack, queen, king, you have to do nothing to those cards, and even if a 10, nothing. So 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you will add up the values of this. The spectator can also do it. So 8 plus 6, 14, plus 8, 22, plus 3, 25. So we'll see the 25th card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25th. So always you have to have a 52 deck of cards, and it's always going to be the bottom, but the 9th card, the card we predicted, the Ace of Heart. So hope you guys like the video. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel to never miss on my latest updates, and comment something, and if the best comment will be pinned. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. So guys, hope you like this self-working card magic trick. This is a very good self-working card magic trick. You have to do nothing to do this. It will all do on its own because it's a self-working card magic trick. Thanks for watching. Bye.